T20 tournament. So that's been
MSL.
all great. Yeah, but I think the IPL is the thing. It's been a long time we haven't won. It's almost seventh year now.
Malay, I just wanted your view. If
Yeah.
Russell he has an IPL like he has an average IPL.
Mhm.
Would you retain him next season with Gill? Like would he be in your retentions if he has an average IPL?
I mean, see, he cost a lot to be retained, to be honest, at this point, from what his performances have been. But it's very likely for KKR to continue till he really, I mean, is not going to give you anything. So while I think it's not logical or it's not practical to keep Russell because of his injuries, because of what he's been giving, at least from the last, not just the IPL, apart from that, also generally even in West Indies World Cup, he started really well and then got injured and all of that. So it's a bit of a issue, to be honest, with the team. Also, I feel a lot of times it's okay. Is Russell fit when he's diving to take a catch? I think DK said that one in last year's one of his interviews as well, that his heart is in his mouth whenever something happens with Ante. So I think I just don't like too much talk about certain individuals as a supporter. I mean, it's. I think I really preferred Gambhir's time like much more than what it is now, especially because the kind of impact, different kind of player. I think that's one thing that is a mark of a great team. Like for example, Mumbai. Uh, you could be five down and then Ishan Kishan can come and score a 99 out of nowhere. That doesn't that rarely happens, and that used to happen for KKR a lot when Gambhir was in. I mean,
One
Bisla
match
when
it
he was,
happened with Gill and Morgan. They came in at 3 down at power play and still kept hitting
yeah,
that way. I think Gill
I
even
think
publicly spoke
KKR's
about
best
that
match
time.
with
That
I
Gambhir
that
think
would
it
be
was
Morgan
at
the
and Morgan were
Sharjah.
saying
I think
yeah,
it was
Sharjah.
at that.
Bisla.
against
Sharjah is
Punjab,
not a. It was against
but
Delhi, I think.
no, it was against
So,
Punjab. And I think like Morgan's philosophy for England has been the same. Like whatever
Yeah,
the position they're in, they will keep attacking.
yeah.
yeah,
This is
even
Morgan's
Even that
first
game
full
under
season,
Gambhir
so
where Manvinder Bisla won them the IPL final, that was
yeah,
also crazy.
Bisla IPL, even I mean, it was amazing, to be honest. A lot of times, but yeah, I think trust the ownership, trust the management to do
yeah,
their
as you
job.
said,
Yeah,
right, a full season of captaincy for Morgan would really actually make a bigger impact than him doing it just for a few games. Because we've seen, like, even I remember 2017 Champions Trophy, England didn't need to beat Australia in that game, but they were 35 for 3 and they still chased that 275 playing the same way. I mean, they just, when
yeah,
there's more defense, when they're in a tough spot, most teams try to at least, arrest the flow of, good bowling.
Yeah,
But England
I,
just go after the bowling. They just keep, going more attacking. I mean,
I've noticed who they've
So,
got.
Malay, top two targets for KKR would be?
yeah. I just will let Dhruv finish and then we'll go.
yeah,
Dhruv
And
first.
notice who's KKR's coach. It's Baron McCullum, one of the most attacking captains.
Yeah.
right.
Anyway,
So the
Morgan took
ability will be
inspiration from McCullum, and
ability
then
will be there to play the attacking cricket this time. Only
yeah.
that's all matters.
But I mean, Suman Gill at the top then doesn't make sense if that's one of the things that we have to say. I mean, his strike rate
That's
was
why they pushed Ritesh Rana there up to give a
yeah,
quick spin.
yeah. But I think you can't drop Suman Gill now. But that's his game. He probably developed that part of the game as well. But yeah, I think let's see. I mean, I am obviously not really hopeful this season. I mean, I was really hopeful last year, but I mean, the demons of Narayan and Russell not being at their best and still going to probably play 12, 13, maybe 10, 11, more than 10 games for sure out of the 14. I think that's a concern for me. Top two picks, one guy I would love is have Shakib back. I mean, I just loved him for KK. He was not great for us. He was not outstanding, but he was there at crucial moments. I mean, a lot of times his small 20s, small 25s. I mean, I loved him at KKR. I love that middle order, to be honest. Yusuf Pathan, Shakib, Manish Pandey, all of these guys together. So that one person I would love to have back since he's available is Shakib. He has a point to prove since he's coming back after his whole um, ban. So that's one guy. And the other person I would want is Kyle Jamieson. Um, might be too expensive, but I think in this, Morris is out of the question because someone's going to get him for a really high price. But if there is someone I would probably want as a backup to Russell or as some sort of safeguard against him, maybe it's the right time to get him because he's young. Not many people know him. uh, 6'8", bowls well, bowls quick. So yeah, those would be my two picks if it would have to be a auction that I would want. Apart from that, I think the Indian contingent picks itself. There is no one really available as well that will going to improve KKR's lineup. Gill, Rana, Tripathi, DK. Those four are going to be the Indian core. And then yeah, let's see what happens with Kuldeep and all of those guys. Right. Chalo, then we'll move on to everyone's favorite, not really, Chennai Super Kings. Their worst season in their history, finished last but one.
They can do better this season. They'll finish 8th.
Only time they didn't finish in the playoffs.
Playoffs, yeah. So Ishwar is going to be focusing on that. 19.9 CR balance left. Biggest question and first question that I have, Ishwar, is Steve Smith coming to Chennai?
Yeah, so that seems to be the general opinion, but I see it's not so easy to get Steve Smith with just 19.9 crores in the kitty. I think it's going to be a tough battle. So maybe Manas would be a good choice for Chennai as well.
Yeah.
But he could play the role which Faf du Plessis is doing right now for Chennai. So the thing with plagued Chennai last season was there was no firepower in their batting through the middle and at the top as well. But their finishing was really good with the likes of Ravindra Jadeja firing. But in the middle and at the top, they really lack that, fire. And that can be down to Dhoni's form going down, or there's no Ambati Rayudu been not playing regularly, or Suresh as well right now.
No, Raina as well.
Yeah. So
Ishwar, can I ask you, just stop you for a minute? Sorry, but don't you think Labuschagne will again be too similar a player to what CSK has? CSK need maybe a more attacking player. I mean, du Plessis already
too
is
young
there.
also for CSK.
And he's too young. Yeah, CSK is
David Malan.
Is 35.
That point as
35.
well, yeah.
Uncle cricket team.
That's fine, but
David Malan is 33. Fits in.
Exactly, David Malan fit perfectly.
Or Aaron Finch would also fit perfectly. Great player of spin, experience.
Does not run around.
Old.
I think David Malan.
RCB.
Not
Ex
the fittest guy.
RCB. Remember that always.
Yeah, but the thing is, CSK is having a very small purse actually. 20 crores is not that big, but the gaps you see, because of the season we've had last year, you might feel like there's a lot of need to rejuvenate the team with youngsters or something like that. But I don't think CSK is going to do much of change on that front, because they would be going for someone like a James Faulkner or a Dan Christian, because their bowling lacks a left arm seamer. If you observe
already have 7 foreigners as well, so can only fit in one more.
Yeah, but the thing is, with Dwayne Bravo right now, we are not sure with his injuries and how much game time he's going to get. Yeah. And with him playing all around the world, there's always a chance that he might be injured, or he might not be at his 100%. So James Faulkner or Dan
Christian, ask him to stop dancing a bit. Maybe that will help.
Yeah. So yeah, so that is
CSK
but the biggest worry for Chennai is, since they left Harbhajan right now, they don't have a quality off spinner. So someone like someone like a Jalaj Saxena or a Krishnappa Gautam would be a very good fit for Chennai Super Kings, is what I feel. Or a Baba Aparajit as well. He's like a part-time spinner.
Local lad, no?
He's a local lad. And he knows the conditions well. And when it comes to
Hassan also would be a great fit, to be fair.
And both brothers were highly rated at one point, so I don't know what's happened to them off late.
Exactly. And when it comes to overseas picks, again, since they want an off spinner, they can rotate between Tahir and if they can get someone like a John Jaggesar. He was a very good bowler in the Caribbean Premier League, John Jaggesar. So he might be a very good option for Chennai if the IPL is going to happen on slow wickets. But as they're saying, if it happens in Mumbai or something, then they would be focusing on buying some explosive batsmen at the top, especially, and maybe a backup finisher for MS Dhoni and a replacement for DJ Bravo, in the long term. Not really in the long term. Even if you look at the right season right now, DJ Bravo is very much prone to his injuries, after every 2-3 games. So they might, keep rotating between Bravo and a Faulkner or a Bravo or a Christian or something like that. And then they always have the firepower of Ravindra Jadeja at the end. And there is Sam Curran as well, which I thought was a very good buy last season.
Yeah,
So I
great buy,
think,
actually.
yeah, CSK just needs to sort out these little chinks. But I don't think their squad has an issue with their age or anything. They would still go for experienced players, I feel. Since from next year onwards, there is going to be a complete overhaul. So I think they'll be focusing on just this season and going for more experience rather than, going for fresh bunch of stars or anything, because there's no point really by just, going for youngsters for just one season.
I think CSK's 20 crores seems less, but if you look at the team, they only need like 2-3 more players to like fill a
Yeah.
minimum quota.
Yeah.
I think Moeen Ali would be a good pick
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
he
Exactly.
brings
If you look
off
at
spin
players-
and
I
if
the
you
think
explosive
the
batting
yeah.
in the
I
middle.
think the main thing that exposed CSK last year more than it's true that most of them were in quarantine and not quarantine. Sorry, they were all not playing cricket, so they were rusty. But also playing in the UAE, on very good batting pitches, they kind of got exposed. Whereas playing in Chennai, they can they have the experience and that guile. Senior players have playing on some slowish wickets, and their bowling also becomes more difficult and on a very large. Chennai is a very large ground compared to most Indian grounds. So
Exactly.
that played a big factor. So if it's again playing in Mumbai this year, mostly as it looks, they would need a little bit of firepower to add, so that at least they can improve on. I mean, last year was like the bottom, so the
Yeah,
only way
their
actually is
problem is
up for them. So
yeah, their basic problem is Raina at 3, Raidu at 4, and Dhoni at 5. These three players are not regular players, and they'll take their time to get going. Yes, once they get going, they're a class apart and all, but that is the issue where they were exposed last year as well, along with their off-spin bowling stocks. So yeah, maybe they would go for a player like Krishnappa Gautam, who would finish those.
he
You
would
know,
be a good option.
yeah, he
Somebody
would
just
be
come
a
and
Yeah.
for
hit.
a finisher role as well as that off-spinning role. Or
Definitely. Yeah.
I think this is a long call, but Glenn Maxwell would be a
Yeah,
very
awesome
good
too.
choice for Chennai Super Kings. But
Yeah.
again, the problem
Yeah.
is where to accommodate
Too
him.
mercurial for Chennai.
Yeah,
Yeah.
too young as well. Too young as well.
But
So
they
that's
did
the
have
other-
pairs like McCullum and Dwayne Smith at their prime. So I think they
Yeah.
Yeah, that
don't
team was
always
very
take.
powerful. They had a very powerful batting lineup that time.
Exactly. Yeah.
But I won't be surprised if they spend like 10 crores around on one player. Like
They can
Faf
only
will
get
like
one
Dowd
foreigner,
Malan.
so they will
वही,
spend the
10
most of
crore,
their
yeah,
budget on
exactly,
that
yeah.
player.
Like maybe like a Dowd Malan, Glenn Maxwell, someone like that.
They got
Finch also is an option.
And then
Opener, they
even
don't have an
Chris
opener
Green.
right now.
See, but I also feel a player like Chris Green would be a very good choice for Chennai as well, because they need those backups for Bravo and Sam Curran, because Sam Curran is a left-arm pacer, but
Corey
he's more
Anderson.
of a batsman. He's not a bowler in a T20. Like you don't consider him as a perfect 4-over bowler every time. So instead of a Sam Curran, you might benefit for playing Chris Green, because he's a right-hander as well, and he offers those handy off breaks as well. So I think Chris Green or a Lewis Gregory as well on that part.
Yeah.
He offers that left-arm variety like Mitchell Santner. So yeah, maybe they would be looking at these backups as a raw talent pool or something. But yeah, main focus would be on players like Krishnappa Gautam and Steve Smith and Labuschagne. So players like this, and Jalaj Saxena also is one very good choice for Chennai Super Kings are my picks.
Jalaj Saxena has been a journeyman in Indian first-class cricket, so it'll be good to give him a good platform to prove his ability.
Yeah,
Exactly.
true. It'll be
So-
interesting. I mean, I'll be interested. Gaikwad showed great signs towards the end last time. They've retained Tahir, which I was very, very surprised with, to be honest. It'll be interesting. It'll see interesting how many games he gets, because he barely played last
He is
year.
getting.
I think he will start
think-
off. No, with Suresh Raina back, I think Imran Tahir will start for sure.
If
Hmm.
it's
But-
in Chennai, especially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the
Uh,
same
how-
issue for CSK is again about balance, because again, too many some of these senior options, how many of them can they fit in and how many can they keep out is the same issue. So I agree, keeping Tahir, is a bit of a surprise. And I think he's in his 40s also right now. I mean, of course, that's CSK average age. It's not a problem, but still, he's not played much cricket. I think when did he last play cricket? I mean,
T10.
T10, right? And
T10, yeah,
that's
T10.
that's
That's
a
not
bloody
even
cricket.
cricket.
That's not
He
cricket.
played
That's just
CPL, I think, after, I think, might play BSL.
Yeah, he played CPL
Around,
for
he didn't play
Guyana.
BBL, but he's been around the circuit.
CPL was before IPL.
Ah,
He didn't play the BBL. I think he missed out. He was with Melbourne Renegades, but
no, Dhruv is saying that CPL was before IPL, then IPL. तो
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
that's correct.
Yeah.
It
So
was.
yeah, so
Yeah.
it'll be interesting. Let's see. They've been carrying Santner also for a long time now. I think their pace bowling is not good. Hazelwood and Ngidi both. I mean, I don't know. So it'll be
That's why
interesting.
they're looking for a
Ngidi was very good in their final season.
Yeah.
The other
The
issue
season
I
very
is there is that Australia. What if, like when Josh Hazelwood was picked by Mumbai Indians, Australia pulled him out because of to keep his workload in bowling under check. So I wonder will he still play an entire season? I'm not sure because Hazelwood, Stark, and all have had this habit of being in the teams and then being pulled out either because of their own wish or because of their board's wish. That's something which has to be looked at. I feel.
Is Jason Behrendorff as well, right?
Yeah, he's there. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
but
that's another
CSK,
option.
if they buy a pacer, they'd be buying they won't be going for a right arm pacer, I feel. Left arm pacer is the need of the hour, like in most T20 teams nowadays. So
Jason
yeah,
is
I
very
think they'll
good
be going
with
for
the new
someone.
ball. Swings the
Yeah.
ball.
Yeah.
Exactly. Along with Chahar, he'd be a very good pairing. Deepak Chahar and Jason Behrendorff. Like it would be a
But
very
he's
good.
a bit of a, again, last legs. He's had so many injuries. I mean, he could have played 50 tests by now for Australia, but he's always injured. This is another issue.
Yeah, true.
That's the thing. You take it on a T20 game, right? You need to bowl 4 overs. So that's what you.
I'm just hoping if they pick him, he doesn't keep getting injured again. That's his only issue.
I think they have only one foreign spot. They'll spend it on a marquee foreign player rather than
someone
average or a backup.
Explosive
Moeen Ali also,
batsman.
yeah,
I think
they'll go for
like
explosive
Moeen or
batsmen.
Maxwell, I feel.
Chance.
Yeah.
Robin Uthappa is also back. I mean, not back in CSK.
So by looks of that, we can know what kind of player CSK is going to target when they've gone for
If they've gone for Uthappa, that's probably what they're going to target.
So they're just looking at this season, not like the future.
Yeah.
Chalo, we'll move. Last two teams. We'll move to Kings 11 next. So yeah, Siddharth, want to take it away?
Sit, Rehan, take it away.
I think this.
Left.
Yeah, I think this season is actually one of the best one of the best chances Punjab will have to win an IPL title, and I'm actually have very high hopes from Punjab this season. The reason is if you look at it, Punjab has 53.2 crores available. They were one win off the playoff last season despite having a horrendous start, and they have not released a single player who contributed to a win last year. Last year they were one win off the playoffs despite so much dead money Maxwell 11 crore, Cottrell 8 crore, I think Karun Nair 5 crore, Gotham 5 crore, that was 30 odd crore, which did not contribute at all. Maxwell, Cottrell did not. So they have kept their core and have a 53.2 crore budget. So it's almost.
Maxwell didn't even hit a six. Maxwell.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's an all-you-can-eat buffet at the auction.
Absolute fraudulent. One of the biggest fraudulent performances by a marquee player in IPL history has to be.
Yeah, one very interesting point is Kings 11 only have 3 foreigners. So
so I think that is the key.
And this mini auction will have, foreigners are going to be the ones that are going to be more. So that's one important point. They just have Jordan, Gale, and Pooran.
Yeah, and I think Punjab has more. If you see, most successful IPL franchises have built around successful Indian cores, and Punjab already has that without even spending a lot. And if you look at it, next season, all these players are going to cost a lot more. Mayank Agarwal will not cost 1 crore. Shami will not cost 4.8 crores. KL Rahul will not even cost 11 crores. He's going to cost a lot more. And Pooran will not cost 4.2 crores. They have to make the most of this window. And Punjab ka Indian core set hai, they will have KL and Mayank open, Gale at 3, Pooran at 4 or 5. So they need a foreigner for one of those spots. Mandeep or Huda at 6. And they need a number 7 or Chris Jordan as a backup for that. And then bowling, their pretty Indian core is settled with Shami, Arshdeep, Bishnoi, and Murugan Ashwin, who all did well. So key players are foreigners. So I think
they'll need one.
But I have 2 issues
Fast
with
bowler, one pacer foreigner.
Yeah, that I think one player they absolutely have to get is Chris Morris at any cost. If I was Punjab, I would not hesitate spending even 20 crore on him if it takes, because they have a lot of money. Like, ghar thod na le jaoge. Punjab actually do that a lot, but they like BCCI have mandated they have to spend 75% of their total cap. So like Chris Morris, they absolutely have to spend. Death bowling was one of their biggest issues last time. Shami ने काफी अच्छा किया. He improved a lot in the death, but दूसरे end से Arshdeep, Jordan was on and off. He
Cottrell.
became better, but and Baki, like दूसरे end से there was no support for him. So like Chris
Even
Morris,
didn't Cottrell cost that game against Rajasthan
yeah,
very
Cottrell
well
went for 30 runs in an
30
over.
runs.
So
Tewatia.
death bowling
Tewatia
was
madness.
like always an issue कि Punjab 120 for 4 भी कर दे किसी टीम को 15 ओवर में, they will still concede 200. So Chris Morris, like at any cost they have to get him best death bowler, and will also give them like finishing at the end,
Yeah.
which was their second big issue. I think Chris Morris, like and they have like no resistance to him कि जो भी जितने भी पैसे spend करे, just outbid them, spend whatever it takes. It does not matter. At
What
any
about
price,
a
you have to
Kyle-
get him.
as well.
Could they go
Kyle
for a
Jamieson.
Jamieson? Could they go for Jamieson?
I think they could, because like Jamieson did well against India in tests, and Punjab is like one of the teams that buys into that hype. Sam Curran they bought for 8 crore based on a good test series
Right.
against India. So I would think it makes more sense logically to go for Morris, but I think Jamieson is like something Punjab
Jamieson
would go for, because
has bowled pretty well in T20s as well, so he's
but Chris Morris is like proven IPL pedigree.
Yeah, he's
over
a better
years
option.
and has like much better batsman than Jamieson as far as I've seen. Like,
absolutely
Yeah,
Big
no doubt
hitters.
about
I
that.
think,
I think
No, no,
Morris
yeah,
they have to
100%.
target at any cost whatsoever. It takes 20 crore, it takes 25. Like outbid every single franchise sports on him is
That's it.
one thing I would say. Like Morris. Second thing, I think they need another starting foreigner with Gale and Pooran. So Steve Smith, I think, is a great choice for that, because last year Punjab ka problem tha, they will get off to a good start and then middle order mein collapse ho jayega. So Smith can come in at 4. He played for Rajasthan at 4 a couple of times. He opened and came at 3 also, but he can bat at 4, and like he can bat at 3 if Gale does not do as well. Like Chris
I
Gale
think
has
one
done well, but I think he could have a drop off at any time. Like as much as I've thought that would happen for the last 3 years, but it has not. But like it could always still happen. So I think they will start with Gale, but एक backup होना चाहिए. So
yeah,
Smith,
definitely.
I think, will also help with like KL Rahul with leadership. Like you can make as many sandpaper jokes as you want to, but Steve Smith does have the highest win percentage as a captain in IPL history for any captain, with minimum 25 matches. He took over Pune from 7th and they were 1 run off the title. He's done okay with Rajasthan, like last year, एक match ही दूर थे playoffs के and missed Stokes. So he will not be the official captain because they will keep Rahul, but Smith will help on the field as he has been helping Tim Payne, Aaron Finch in Australia, and Rahane को help करता.
Pune
when he
2017 was
captain.
an outlier. He's a very poor captain and leader. I'm sorry to say this. He
It's,
should be kept far away
IPL
from any leadership roles as much as possible if you want to win.
in
or if you want to
IPL,
maintain
like not
integrity.
just Pune, he still like had like 14 match छोड़ के भी he's captained a lot more, and he still has higher win percentage, and he took
But
over
KL
from
Rahul
Dhoni.
is not a good captain either. I'm not
Exactly.
very
So I think
convinced
उसको
by
थोड़ा
him.
वो support चाहिए and on the field support, and there's not a lot of leaders in this team if you
Right.
look at it. Like Gale is not a
No, but-
leader. So,
Gale is very selfish that way. He's more into his own bubble all the time. So
yeah, so I think like Smith is, and again they have enough money to get whoever they want. So I would target Morris and Smith. बाकी उनको foreign backup चाहिए, तो एक all-rounder I would target Marnus, Shakib or Moeen में से, whoever is cheaper, like that budget dependent. एक I would target a backup pace bowler like Jai Richardson or Behrendorff, and एक like X factor batsman like David Mullen or Alex Hales in case Gale fails or they need like a X factor who could change games at the end.
I
And
think, yeah,
Alex
one-
Hales would also fit Punjab well because of his transgressions, and उड़ता पंजाब में बढ़िया fit करेगा.
I think one
So-
thing I would love to see is Pooran at 3, to be honest.
I think-
he's an amazing batsman. I genuinely believe he's the next sort of big West Indian franchise cricketer to come out
Yeah.
after Russell, Pollard, Naran, Bravo, all of these guys. I think he's just too good. I mean, yeah, I know
Yeah.
T10 was just like that, but some
I
of the innings he
agree with
played
that.
there.
Like last season, Punjab के लिए भी जब उसे chance मिला, he did well. And I personally also feel वो 3 or 4 पे is his best position because he's an excellent player of spin. Like he absolutely kills any sort
Yeah.
of leg spin. So he destroys them. But I think with the makeup of the side, there's a lot of players who can play in the top order. There's not a lot of players who can play at 5, even in the auction. So I think even though it might be better for like him to bat up the order, but I think team wise there's a lot of players who can do other roles, but not wo wala roles. I think he will float up and down depending upon the situation also because
Yeah.
Mayank and Rahul can give strong starts. So
Exactly.
But
I
yeah,
think-
I'm
Yeah,
excited
but
to see
I have
how.
one question with Kings 11
Yeah,
Punjab.
sure. Yeah.
With the releases, actually, they've released Mujibur Rahman and Krishnappa Gautam, where teams are struggling to find
I think they will
spin
go with
bowling
an off
all-rounder
spinner
who
for
is
sure. And yeah, like Abhi, both their starting spinners, Murugan Ashwin and Bishnoi are leg spinners. So I think एक off spinner target करेंगे. And I think ideal target would be Harbhajan Singh coming home. Has not played for his own
Yeah.
franchise.
Actually.
He's off spinner
yeah,
and
that is what. Yeah.
his experience should not be. I don't think there will be any bids for him. And experience भी लाता है because Murugan Ashwin is inexperienced. He's not that young, and Bishnoi is very young. So I think वो experience भी लाएगा. There's a
We'll see our
lot of
base price,
Punjabi
though.
players in the team as well, like young Punjabi players like Arshdeep, Prab Simran, and उन सब के साथ Harbhajan has played in the domestic
And then Harpreet,
target.
yeah, Harpreet
So I
Bradley.
think he would be like, even though there might be questions about his fitness, he just has to like walk and bowl 4 overs if he is called upon. So इतना बड़ा issue नहीं होगा, and I think like PR के लिए भी it would be a good pick to get a hometown lad like Punjab.
Bajji manage कर ले. Bajji can manage IPL, like he's proven it again and again.
Like 4 ही over डालने, and he will not even be like the first choice. I think Murugan and Bishnoi, the way they finished, will be first choice. But like if needed, if an off spinner is needed, matchup based, Bajji would be a great choice.
Can also give a lot of advice to both the young guys. So
And like
adds
Baki
to it.
also Punjabi बहुत player है. And Harpreet Brar is also a young Punjabi spinner, so they can like help. He can help all of them get there.
Yeah,
So I would
interesting.
like to see Bhaji picked up by Punjab, and
This
I don't
2CR
think there
base
will be a
price
lot
is
of
a-
market.
Yeah, 2CR base price is a bit of a put
So
off.
like Punjab के लिए
But
that's
for Punjab, it's nothing.
3.2.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like all you
But
can
I
need.
think,
So they will take what they want.
yeah.
I'm
They will take
excited to
what
see how they
want
go
and-
about the auction because when you have so much money, especially like they have
Yeah.
I
20
think
plus
they
crores
should
and
buy
any
And
the
you
other.
have your
buyers who
team
do not
set.
give
You
short
have
runs.
so much money, and you don't even have a lot of players to get. I think
Nahin,
9
but-
of their 11 are settled.
I
But
think
when you have so much
I
money,
think
like
Punjab
there can
needs to
even be
spend money
downside.
on umpires because they will give short runs otherwise. So फिर pointless
Yeah,
है
like
So,
Punjab like should have actually made the playoffs despite not like 53.2 crore of the team makeup being useless. So I think they can afford to overspend on 2-3 players like Morris. He's not worth whatever I want Punjab to spend on him, but like auction dynamics देखो कि like उस पैसों का क्या करोगे, and like supply and demand also. Everybody needs death bowler, everybody needs a big hitter, and he's both. So supply and demand देखो तो Morris पे they have to spend whatever, like overspend करो. You can afford to do it. Smith पे I would do that, and then they have to just get backups for their overseas spot and एक आध Indian backup for the lower order because Huda is not very reliable, and I think he had issues with Baroda. He was sent home. So like uska kuch ho nahi pata. Maybe they can take a punt on Kedar Jadhav if no other franchisee does. They can afford, like if he doesn't come off, they can afford to carry him because they have 3-4 option है. सरफराज खान है, मनदीप है, हुडा है. तो केदार जाधव अगर चला नहीं चला तो it's like a high upside punt कि चला तो he can be great, नहीं चला तो they have other options. Or Shivam Dube, but I think he will also go very expensive, and I don't think that is the need of the hour for Punjab. I think they need to get marquee foreigners. Their Indian core is pretty set.
Yeah. Chalo, let's last team left now. Everyone's favorite, RCB. No titles. Once again, there has been a change in the backroom staff. 35.7, yeah, so good purse left. Our last team, and then we'll wrap up. So we'll go to Darshil, our expert from RCB. What do you think is going to happen?
So I think the biggest factor is that everyone has said that Morris is a key buy for all the teams, and the fact that RCB has
Literally
released
every
him
single team.
shows
Every single
shows
team will be targeting.
shows how brilliant we are. So, I mean, story of RCB's life. But every franchisee has said, Chris Morris break the bank, and we were the ones who released him, of course, because RCB.
Kept Kane
But I
Richardson. I
think
mean, that's I mean, baffling, but
I don't know. I think probably we should one player I am really excited about. I mean, that we need to target is Shakib for the past few seasons, and then we basically kind of taper off from number 5. So I think Shakib will be a great number 5, and he can also kind
Maxwell
of
has
chip
said
in
he
with the
would like to
bowling.
play with Kohli and De Villiers. What are your thoughts about that?
Yeah, I am not even going to address that. I think we have
Like,
enough
he's
Who's
begging
France
Abel, you know,
PR.
please.
who's begging?
in our
Who's begging? I'm sorry.
Maxwell.
Maxwell said I would
that's
love to
not
play
even
with De
verbally
Villiers and
considering.
Kohli.
नहीं, ये
भीख मांग रहा है तो उनसे.
already हमारे
His-
team में बड़े we have big name chokers and big name failures in RCB. We have enough. Let's not go.
Hey, Maxwell is
who
half
they are.
Indian now. Maxwell
But-
is half Indian now. So, more he can butter the Indian captain, the better for him.
And he has actually had like issues with Kohli before. He called him out for like being selfish around 100. He made fun of his shoulder injury in the Test series. So अब बड़े अच्छे
नहीं
दोस्त
भाई
बन गए.
नहीं, I don't think we need Maxwell is the last player we should buy. I mean,
Yeah,
it will be
You're
the
right. He's just an
worst
advanced
decision that
Afridi
RCB
man.
can take.
But
He's
knowing
advanced
RCB,
Afridi.
I have a feeling Maxwell is going to go to RCB.
It is a very RCB pick.
Right.
Like it has
Yeah,
RCB written all over it.
It's a very
Million
RCB
dollar
pick.
million dollar fraud going
Yeah,
to
that's-
RCB. I mean, that's a match made in
लिखा हुआ है
heaven.
उस पे RCB.
Yeah,
I don't know. I mean, ideally, we have to be fair. Right now, if we see the name, our bowling is good. Chahal, Saini, Siraj. We have ABD and VK 5, and you play Washington Sundar 6. So technically, you only need 5 players. Now, among the remaining, also,
Philippe
if you
is
think
gonna-
Joshua Philippe is a great talent,
Yeah, he had a
Josh
great
Philippe is a-
DBL.
yeah. So I think he should make the cut. So then that leaves 2 foreigners ka spot Datsun, I mean, and Kyle Jameson. These are 2 players left armers we want can be considered. I am also open if we take someone like a Corey Anderson or Mustafizur. I mean, in terms
Isn't he a former RCB player?
of taking a left arm bowling option.
Bowled
Yeah,
in the
Corey
death for
Anderson was
RCB.
is a former
Yeah,
RCB player.
And they
इसीलिए तो
used him as a
okay,
death
let's
bowler, and that
see
was
if the
very
jinx works
successful.
back on us. If we buy a player released by RCB, does that bring good luck to RCB? Let's see if that works.
Yeah, I think his career got stalled after signing for RCB.
I think injuries happened. Like he went through a lot of injuries, and I think he's even considering going to play for like cricket for the United States national
Correct.
team now.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big fall from grace from world record holder.
Yeah, that innings, I think one of the
Yep.
best IPL innings, Mumbai Indians chasing.
And, like,
Oh yeah.
without a
Fastest
twin,
ODI century as well
Yeah.
before that.
35 balls, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, he had
Correct.
a very bright 1 or 2 years, and he was also good for New Zealand in the World Cup. So, I mean, sad where he wasn't now where he is.
I think
Yeah, but I
another
think-
pacer going under the radar is
Correct.
Neil Wagner from New Zealand.
Yeah.
No one's talked about him, but I think he could also be a brilliant pick as a
Interesting.
pacer, because if you look at RCB, they have 0 foreign pacers, and over the years उनके कोई भी foreign pacer काम नहीं आया.
Definitely.
Yeah.
That
Well,
is
Santa
actually
also
but-
managed.
Correct.
But does he have the game to bowl in this format? I mean,
I think
he's
they
a
need
test.
death bowlers also because Siraj is a new ball bowler in T20.
Saini is a
Saini
brain dead
is
bowler.
like Saini is the only one who can bowl in the death right now.
Brain dead bowler hai bhai. Don't consider him.
And they released
I
this
think
New ball with that
We
TK if you bowl him at the top.
Saini was their
I think we
best
need
death bowler
Mustafizur
last year,
definitely.
wasn't it?
Morris was.
Mustafizur definitely though.
Like-
हम दो में कहा ना.
And probably एक wicket keeper चाहिए तो I think Mohammad Azharuddin like I've already mentioned. I'm rating him highly. We except for Joshua Philippe, we don't have anyone. We should buy Krishnappa Gautam, backup to Washington Sundar in case Sundar is not in a good form or gets injured. I think that's a very like for like replacement. Would be a sensible buy. Will go under the hopefully can go under the radar. उसके अलावा, I mean, if you look at it, David Malan is a good opening choice, but we have let Finch go. So, I mean, that doesn't really explain the rationale. Okay, letting Finch go and replacing with Malan, unless you want a left-hand, right-hand combination at the top. But again, I mean, I really don't see why
I
he let
think the
Finch go and
top
then would
two.
kind of
See,
go after Malan.
yeah, I think Padikkal would
Joy
start,
Felipe is
obviously.
might have a breakout
Exactly.
season
So
this year. He
Padikkal
won
and
the
Philip
Golden
would
Bat.
start. So
Yeah, and then Kohli at 3, AB at 5, 4. So the top 4 is
Maxwell at
Shakib at
5.
5.
Maxwell
Shakib
at
at 5.
5.
Maxwell at
Ideally,
5.
Shakib at 5.
Maxwell at 5.
Let's think. And then again, like a lot of teams have said, Shivam Dube was so good at 6. We have released him. So
Yeah,
I think he will get a huge
it's-
payday
it's-
this time.
I mean,
Why don't
Shivam-
RCB buy him back? I mean, just
Shivam
give him
He's
a
would
going to go
chance.
way more
actually-
expensive than RCB had him for.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
Yeah, Shivam
बहुत
would
महंगा
actually be
है.
Yeah.
happy. He's going to get a
Because there
mini
is no
auction.
supply of that kind of player, and
Yeah.
like पैसे हैं सबके पास. So
he's
Yeah.
a left-handed
he will
batsman
get a big
to add.
payday.
Yeah. I
Even
mean,
though he might not be worth it, I think like उसको बहुत because of lack of
Shivam
supply.
would be happy with what has happened because he's going to get a good payday
So,
for sure.
Probably
Look at-
that's why they took Harshal Sams and that Harshal Patel and Pawan Deshpande, but I don't think they are as good as a Shivam Dube. And he played pretty decently last time, to be fair, in the chances he got. So
Yeah.
it's been a surprise that why he has been let go. So hopefully, if the team is, hopefully they have a well thought strategy. My guess is probably they're going to go for a Shakib Al Hasan. I think that makes a brilliant addition. I mean, in any way,
Yeah.
if you look at it at number 5, Shakib will be a brilliant addition and he can bowl.
Brilliant
also,
additions,
I
but
think,
that
very
is
well.
not an RCB addition then.
Ah,
Too logical.
one
Other than
interesting
Bana,
thing.
yeah.
One interesting thing. So look at the number
Hey,
of
with
players
Mike,
asked.
with
Yeah.
Mike Hessen as the coach, I mean, you would expect some logical decisions unless he has no
Kohli
say.
still
because-
calls the shots, evidently.
Yeah. So
Yeah, Malay, what was the interesting thing we were saying?
So what I was saying was, if you look at the number of players RCB have, they have to add quite a few. Like for example, for Punjab, we just said ki 53 crores are there, and look at the number of players. They're almost.
Yeah, they need like 2 or 3 starters tops. But
Yeah, but
Bangalore
with,
have a lot of
But yeah,
spots
with
to win.
RCB, I mean, Felipe Chalo is going to be his first breakout season. Let's see how he does. So that's one spot. Then okay, 1, 3, 4 are fine. Then number 5, I don't know who. 6, I don't know. 7 maybe Sundar.
Moeen Ali could be a good fit at number 5. Wonder how that would work for RCB. Another
Well, at
player
least
a lot of
somebody-
franchises are targeting.
well, one bowler who will
Pata nahi
not
kya
get
chalega.
Kohli out, so they should consider getting him back.
Yeah, and then Saini, Siraj, and Chahal. So those are 3. So yeah, there are actually there's a
death
big,
bowler
big
chahiye.
That's
gap.
why I'm
Yeah,
saying
there's a-
Corey Anderson would be a good pick. He can kind of come in at 6.
there is a big gap.
I mean, he has
otherwise
pedigree. Ben
Phil-
Cutting is another option, who's a foreign player, and we have foreign slots open. That's the thing. I mean, except for ABD, no one else.
Yeah.
Or maybe they release Morris just to buy him back at a lesser price.
But they
He
not
was,
to
I
do
think,
that.
pretty base price पे लिया था, तो
Huh. I mean, they
Morris
got
was
a,
at
he is going to
11
go
crores,
get a
right?
bigger payday now.
they got a
Morris was at
steal with
11 crores,
Morris.
right?
Morris is
I
going
have
to
no idea why we have released Morris.
or Moeen
I
or
have
Shivam.
no idea at all.
Kept Kane Richardson back, who cost them 4 CR. So I mean,
And
No,
didn't
but
even
that
play.
is actually sensible, right? They don't have foreign pacers, as you have mentioned.
yeah. I mean,
So-
but I don't know. I mean, Berendorf and Chahal
Even
are available.
Mark Wood can be a good option for us if they want. But
Yeah,
again,
another
he's a good
run
bowler.
leaking
Mark
machine in
Wood is there.
RCB. I mean, why not? Run leaking
Adam
machine in
Milne,
RCB.
Mark Wood, all of these are good fast bowling options.
Milne
But
came
again,
to
like,
RCB.
I have to be fair, I really have
Milne
no clue why we have made the team we have made. The people
And they
we
had
released. I
a
mean,
great
Morris
core. They
was-
made the playoffs.
Yeah, they made the playoffs. And so if you look at it, finisher
Four
नहीं है,
years,
फिर
maybe.
से they'll have to probably go and do ABD not coming to bat till 7 or 8, whatever, to just that so that he can finish it because they don't have a finisher. I mean, Sundar is not going to finish games for you. They had Dubey, who was okay, inkling of a finisher, but they let him go. Morris let him go. So and finishers don't come easy in this format. So that'll be very interesting how they finish. They've got Harshal Patel from a trade though.
Mhm.
Interesting.
I
He's
think
not
they
a
can
great
also
batsman.
do
See,
Christian
the point
actually.
is,
Christian
unless
has been
they
very athletic.
see if they're planning to open with Joshua Phillip or if they're going to make him bat in the middle order, then it's a different story. Then probably it will make sense to get an opener. But for God's sake, we should not buy Maxwell. I mean, that will be the worst decision that we have
He's
compared
coming
yet
to
you know
with the
that
number
is
of
the
missions we have done.
The big show
You know
is
it's
coming
going to be a bad
RCB.
decision, yet you know that is the decision RCB is going
Yeah,
to
I
make.
know. I already know it's kind of happening. But
Big
okay, let's
name
fingers crossed.
foreign batsman is like RCB,
Big name
prime
foreign
RCB.
batsman, middle order. There is a spot right for him. Okay,
Yeah.
Dream Team, AB de Villiers, Glenn
Also,
Maxwell.
he'll
Like
play a
Brendan
good
McCullum,
first,
Quinton de
he'll
Kock
play
before.
one good innings before
Yeah,
prodding the entire season.
Can spin. Maxwell can spin the
I
ball.
feel
as
one
well.
Yeah,
place
yeah.
RCB,
Yeah,
I feel
Dhruv.
one place RCB really lacked last season was they did not have any intent in first 7 or 8 overs. Like
Yeah,
Finch had 110 strike rate, Padikkal
Yeah,
just
Particle and
120.
Kohli had 120 strike rates.
yeah.
So
So
one
Excellent stat
one
padding.
player which can one player which can help regarding that is Evan Lewis. Evan Lewis is in very good form right
yeah,
now.
I
yeah,
was gonna
Evan
say
Lewis.
Evan Lewis as an opener, exactly.
And he even played at number 3 for Mumbai,
Yeah.
I think, in the title season. He used to play
yeah.
3 and for Mumbai. So he is
He's
sure
in
he can play.
really good form right now, and he can be like a Caribbean opener for RCB. Like
Yeah, definitely. I think that's a great.
Very good player.
point.
Very good
But why
hitter of the
is no
ball.
one
These are
talking
all
about
smart decisions which I don't expect the management to
But yeah,
take. That's the
not
problem.
as big a name as Maxwell, so you can't.
No, I think everyone is like not rating Dan Christian right now with the amount of form he is in. He
Yeah,
would
had
be
a
a very
great
good
BBL.
addition to any team right now, especially with the
Ex
IPL
RCB player coming back to RCB. I mean,
and small grounds as well, right?
Harshal
Very
Patel is
small.
also ex-RCB player coming back to RCB.
but he's useless, so you
Dan
know
Christian
it
is
doesn't
a very
matter.
smart pick. Whichever
Yeah, I
teams buy
think.
Dan Christian
Yeah,
is a very
Christian
smart.
would be a shrewd buy actually.
Yeah,
He's
Christian.
done okay with the IPL. I think he was with Pune when they. made the
He's been
final.
traded in, right? I don't think he's been bought yet. He's been traded in, no? RCB ने
Who?
trade कर लिया उसको.
Kiss-
Dan
no,
Christian.
no. I think he'll be in the pool.
Auction में.
Yeah,
Auction
I thought he was
Still in
bought.
RCB.
ठीक है.
Yeah, so he had a great BBL. He was bowling really well. I think he bowled in the surge, power surge, quite a lot, and he was doing really well. And he's
He was finishing games as well.
Yeah,
भाई
he-
BBL fraud है. Daniel
After-
Sams दिया था BBC से. Daniel
I think
Sams.
after Darcy shot, how much credence can you give to BBL performance?
Exactly.
is the
Daniel
question.
Sams also came to Delhi, frauded his way.
Yeah, Daniel
Like,
Sams also. another-
Darcy shot has put a question mark on every BBL player ever.
So yeah, it's been a bad releases to begin with. I mean, ideally last year's squad was pretty much sorted. Maybe we could have had
they
a
made the
could
playoffs
have-
after so long. I mean,
Like lost 4 matches in a row,
Yeah,
still made the
I-
playoffs.
yeah,
And like so,
I don't see why they did this huge rejig. For what reason? Probably they could have let Moeen Ali go and brought in a left-arm pacer. I think that's the only change I would have liked to see. But now I think you need to fill 4 spots. That is one opener for Joshua Philippe in case it doesn't work out. You need to fire definitely number 5 and number 6. And then number 7, 8 to 11. Now 7, 8, 9, and 11 are kind of automatically pick themselves. But yeah, that's like 3 major spots you
yeah,
need
the
to fill.
middle, yeah, the
and not a
lower
lot of
middle is
players,
a big,
so-
big concern. I'm interested to see how they fill it, and they have let go of players that other teams are going to really be fighting each other.
Break the bank
Moeen
for.
Ali,
Break the
Moeen
bank for.
Ali,
Yeah.
Moeen Ali. I mean, a lot of teams are going to try to go for him.
yeah, Moeen, Morris, and Dubey are going to be 3
even
of the
Finch,
hottest picks.
Even Finch, for that matter, will be a good pick for a
Yeah.
lot of teams.
Yeah,
I mean,
and
he's
also-
Australia captain, ODI captain. It's not like a small player.
Yeah, so there are 4 players that
And
probably will
now
be-
has released by RCB written on him. First
Yeah.
time he played for RCB.
yeah, so there
Played
are
for
4,
almost every other team.
Yeah, so there are going to be 4 players that will probably end up in the top 7 or 8 paychecks of the auction that are going to be people who were let go by RCB. So very
Umesh
interesting.
Yadav. Umesh Yadav.
Yeah, Umesh Yadav too. I think because of the Indianness and all of that.
Uh,
Yeah,
I have one last
interesting.
prediction for RCB before we end. So
Yeah.
this is not an auction prediction, but an IPL. I think you'll be hearing these words a lot. I think we fell 10, 15, 20 runs short. I think if we restricted them to 180, we could have won this match. But the important thing is the boys showed a
And-
lot of intent and positivity. And we have a lot of
And hopefully
positives to
Maxwell
take
will
for the
start
next
You will
firing
match.
also
soon.
see one incident where Kohli will say that I don't know
One
how
hour
the
of
hell
outplay.
this guy is an umpire, you know. So,
Yeah, I think they showed a lot of intent, and that is what matters. And I think we are in
RCB
good
And I
will
think
win a lot
Maxwell
of-
is going to start clicking for us soon. And I think that is
Yeah.
going to win us matches.
And 15 bad minutes of cricket have cost us the
Exactly.
IPL.
Yeah, RCB will win hearts, kidneys, lungs, chest, everything this season. But they will not win the IPL.
Everyone's favorite team, RCB. Chalo, we'll finish this with just one line of who's going to win the IPL. We're going to do this after the auction as well, but before the auction, I'll start. I'll go with an off-field suggestion, an off-field prediction. I think Punjab Kings will win this year.
My
I
answer.
mean, I just think Kumble, KL, the kind of purse they have, the kind of team they have, I think this is going to be a big chance for them to win an IPL. And I probably think they might make the distance this time. So let's go with Sid Jain, and then we'll go with everyone. Who do you think will
Yeah,
win the IPL?
I think it's going to be Punjab as well. Punjab or Emma might go 3-3. I won't be surprised.
Yeah,
But yeah,
repeat.
because
Repeat.
Punjab should reach the finals easily, but I think they can bottle they can bottle, but it's between Punjab and Mumbai for me, definitely.
Yeah, Siddharth?
I'm going to go with my favorite team, Delhi Capitals, to win. I think
Yeah.
like we've been trending in the right direction with Ponting. He took over when we finished last, came third, came second. Now is the time to come first. And I think Punjab will make the final as well. My two favorite teams. And both trophyless, so it would be great to see that final for once. And Ponting
Yeah.
versus Kumble, like the old days.
Interesting. Yeah. Piyush has just dropped us because he got an urgent call. I'll make his prediction. MI will win. I don't need to speak to him for his predictions. Chalo, Ishwar, what do you think? Who's going to win the IPL?
I think MI can do a 3-3. I won't be
Repeat.
surprised at all if that happens. But if the pitches, like if the matches are going to happen in Chennai, then Chennai Super Kings will become a serious contender for the title
Yeah.
with their incredible spin department. And as an official suggestion, yes, Kings 11 Punjab looks good on paper, but they've looked very good even last year as well. So I don't
They
really
have 50
think
crores to
I
add to
think
that.
no, but I
Yeah.
think Rajasthan has a probably a higher chance this time as compared to Punjab because since it's happening in India and they have batsmen who are very capable of, just blasting their way away in India. So Rajasthan might be a dark horse in this tournament is what I feel.
Interesting. So yeah, three-peat is probably the test of greatness. Michael Jordan, Real Madrid in Champions League, Man City in Carabao Cup. So yeah,
Please don't talk about Mickey Mouse cups and ruin this.
it's a great test of greatness. So let's hope my Indians also.
Liverpool and losing a games at Anfield.
Right.
Drew, who do you think is going to win the IPL?
Wow.
Seeing the
Malay, wow, setting the bar really low.
So Drew.
Let
yeah,
Drew speak. He's barely spoken.
Yeah, Drew.
seeing the current squad, I think Hyderabad is the most complete squad right now. Last season, their issue was their young players were inexperienced, talented but inexperienced. Now they have the experience. Abdul Samad has experience, and Abhishek Sharma is doing well now in domestic cricket. And one guy, I think Virat Singh, has done quite well in SMAT.
Yeah.
Mustaq Trophy.
Yep.
Once they have the squad, they have to just figure out the best combination. They have the squad to win it. I
Yeah,
will go with
interesting.
Hyderabad. Right now, before auction, I'm going with Hyderabad.
Yeah, interesting, and quite logical. Darshil?
Yeah, so I would love to say Isarla Cup nowadays, but definitely not happening. I think
Isala Cup Nam Dalla.
I mean, but I think given everything, I think Delhi should be the favorites. I think two major reasons for that. They have Ponting as their mentor. I don't think he takes defeats very well. I think he'd have overthought this out. Second, Pant's form coming into IPL is a massive boost. I mean, he has matured massively with those innings in Australia and his performances. So, yep, I don't think he's going with the same reckless player. I mean, definitely, I'm not saying it's going to go away, but we'll see much more mature innings from him compared to earlier times. If Delhi does not play Shaw and finds a good opener, I think they'll definitely win.
Yeah, interesting. Delhi, I think they'll go far. Pranav, let's close it with your final
Right.
prediction.
So I actually was thinking of saying Delhi will win because I think they'll be better this year after the experiences of last year. But it's an odd year and very hard to look beyond Mumbai. And even if you don't consider any of that, they're the best squad. They're the best settled squad, and they're like a well-oiled machine. I mean, the experience they have of winning and is just second to only CSK, and CSK themselves are still struggling as a team. So I am going to go with them. I'd be very surprised if they don't win this time. But in T20 leagues, you can always see other teams coming up. I predict DC and SRH to be their biggest contenders, and depending if maybe Punjab can add a lot of firepower, who knows. But I would say MI will win, And yeah, three-peat in any sporting competition is a great achievement. So who knows, they might just do it and go into, be a historic achievement to win 3 IPLs in a row. So
I think one of the only
I'll
reason I
stick with
think MI is not a favorite is I think injury comebacks from some of the key persons. Hardik is coming after a long injury layoff. Bumrah is coming after a long injury layoff. Quinton
Rohit
de Kock
even
is
is
out of
coming
form.
off a injury layoff. Rohit
That's the only.
Even Rohit
himself.
was injured like
So
at the end of the
4
IPL.
key player coming out of injury layoffs and Quinton de Kock horribly out of form. That's
Yeah,
why
that's
I mean, definitely Mumbai will
yeah.
pick it up through as it goes, but I just
Krunal
feel that
Pandya
some
hasn't
other
played
team.
cricket because his father passed away.
Don't
Unfortunately,
forget,
so
Trent
didn't
Bolt
play
has a
cricket.
terrible record in India.
Huh? Sorry, Dev?
Trent Bolt has a
Right,
terrible
right.
record.
Good. That's true. But if they're going to host the matches in Mumbai, then I think that actually gives them even better advantage, because how to defend totals at kicked in like Wankhede is, still an art. It's not easy. I mean, I've been to so many matches there, and the ground actually is even smaller than what it looks on TV. Sometimes I feel you just touch the ball and it'll go to the boundary. It's that short, the boundary. It's not even one single boundary where you think, oh my, you might have to hit it well, because you just don't have to. I mean, and so I feel
Virat Kohli will make runs in Wankhede by running 2s and 3s.
yeah,
Fitness FC.
Playing at
Fitness
120
FC.
strike rate in the middle over.
While Vadaba
Fitness FC,
FC
bro.
will score 50 and 30 and take another title away.
Chalo. Great fun, guys. I think this was our longest podcast. We'll probably do it on YouTube in 2 parts. But yeah, great fun. Looking forward to the auctions. I think it'll be day after tomorrow. It'll be very interesting. Yeah, it's not tomorrow. Actually, it cost 12 early recording. Chalo, great fun, guys.
Thanks
Thank you very much.
Thanks for everyone joining. Please like, subscribe. If you're watching it on Instagram or YouTube, wherever, please do
Like, share, subscribe.
And share your opinions on who's going to win the IPL as well.
In the comments. Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
Chalo. Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.